Welcome to 𝗀𝗡𝗨𝗪 𝗧, the channel that simplifies the technological world for professionals of all fields. We're here to navigate the labyrinth of tech advancements, distilling complex concepts into easily digestible insights. 𝗀𝗡𝗪 𝗧 is your compass in this digital era, illuminating paths to innovation and efficiency. Our mission? To empower you with knowledge that amplifies your productivity and propels your professional growth. We decode the latest trends, demystify the buzzwords, and deliver practical guides on how to leverage technology to your advantage. Today, we're delving into a topic that's transforming the way we work: artificial intelligence. We'll explore how AI tools can supercharge your productivity, making you more effective and efficient in your daily tasks. From task management to communication and decision-making, we'll uncover how AI can be your personal productivity powerhouse. Stay with us as we unpack the power of AI in boosting your productivity. Before we dive into the tools, let's first understand what AI is and how it relates to productivity. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to learn and problem-solve like humans. It's the science of making things smart, from your phone's voice assistant to the recommendation systems of your favorite streaming service. AI is everywhere. Now, how does this relate to productivity? Well, in a world where time is our most valuable resource, AI is the superpower that helps us make the most of it. It's the invisible force that helps us work smarter, not harder. Here's how. Firstly, AI automates repetitive tasks. For instance, think about your email inbox. Sorting and responding to emails can take up a considerable chunk of your day. AI can help you automate this process, sorting your emails based on priority and even drafting responses for you. This means you can focus on tasks that require your unique human touch. Secondly, AI can provide insights and make predictions that can help you plan your time better. For example, an AI-powered calendar can analyze your work patterns and suggest the best times for you to schedule meetings or deep work sessions. It can even predict when you're most likely to be productive based on your past performance. Lastly, AI can help you learn and improve. AI-powered productivity tools can track your performance, identify your productivity bottlenecks, and suggest personalized strategies to help you work more effectively. This means you're not just working harder, but you're also constantly learning and improving. So, in a nutshell, AI can help you automate tasks, plan your time better, and constantly learn and improve. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your work habits better than you do and is constantly finding ways to help you work smarter. Now that we understand AI's role in productivity, let's explore the tools that can help us leverage this technology. Task management can get overwhelming, but with AI tools, you can organize your tasks efficiently. In the digital age, there's no shortage of task management tools that use artificial intelligence to help you stay on top of your game. They can help you organize, prioritize, and even automate your tasks so you can focus on what truly matters. Let's delve into some of these tools. First, there's AI-powered project management tool, Monday.com. This tool uses machine learning to analyze your work patterns and suggest more efficient ways of organizing your tasks. It also predicts potential bottlenecks in your workflow and helps you avoid them. It's like having a personal assistant who is always one step ahead. Next, Trello has recently introduced an AI feature called Butler. Butler can automate routine tasks like moving a card from one list to another based on due dates, or sending reminders when a task is overdue. It learns from your behavior and continuously refines its automation rules to better serve your needs. Then there's Asana, another task management tool that uses AI to help you prioritize your tasks. It uses machine learning to understand your work habits and suggests tasks that should be prioritized based on your past behavior. Another noteworthy tool is Todoist, which uses AI to predict when you'll be able to complete a task based on your past performance. This can help you plan your day more effectively and avoid overcommitting. And lastly, Rescue Time uses AI to track your time and provide insightful reports about your productivity. It can even block distracting websites to help you stay focused. All these tools have one thing in common. They use AI to make task management less daunting and more efficient. They help you stay organized, prioritize your tasks, and even automate routine tasks. They give you a clear overview of your tasks so you can focus on what's truly important. Remember, the goal of using these tools is not to replace human judgment, but to augment it. They help you make more informed decisions about how to spend your time and energy. These AI tools can take the burden of task management off your shoulders, freeing you to focus on more important tasks. Communication is key in any professional setting. Let's see how AI can streamline this process. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a game changer in the world of communication. It's not just about sending and receiving messages anymore. AI takes it several steps further by automating, organizing, and even predicting our communication needs. Let's start with email. We've all been there, drowning in a sea of emails, spending countless hours sorting through them. Enter AI email assistants. Tools like Astro and Clara use AI to prioritize your inbox, schedule meetings, and even send automated responses. They learn from your email behavior to ensure that the right emails grab your attention, while less important ones are neatly tucked away. Next, let's talk about team communication. Tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams are great, but when you add AI into the mix, it's a whole new ballgame. AI can analyze team chats to determine the overall mood, highlight important tasks, and even suggest responses. Tools like 𝗂𝗪 can integrate with your team's platform to provide instant answers to questions, saving everyone's time. And then there's customer communication. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for their ability to handle customer inquiries 24/7. Tools like Drift and Intercom can interact with customers, answer their questions, and even direct them to the right human agent when needed. This not only improves customer service, but also frees up your time to focus on other tasks. But AI doesn't stop there. It's also stepping into the world of video conferencing. Tools like Otter.ai transcribe meetings in real time, create summaries, and highlight action items. This ensures that everyone is on the same page, even if they couldn't attend the meeting. AI is not just transforming how we communicate, but also making it more efficient. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your communication habits and is always ready to lend a helping hand. With these AI tools, communication becomes easy and efficient, saving you precious time. Decision-making can often be a time-consuming process, but AI can make this quicker and more informed. AI, or artificial intelligence, has the potential to transform our decision-making process, making it faster, more efficient, and more data-driven. Let's dive into some AI tools that can aid in decision-making. First up, we have predictive analytics tools. These tools use AI to predict future outcomes based on historical data. They can help you make informed decisions by providing insights into future trends and patterns. Examples of these tools include IBM's predictive analytics and Google's AutoML tables. Next, we have decision management tools. These AI-powered tools can automate decision-making processes based on set rules and algorithms. They can help you make consistent decisions, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. Examples of these tools include Sparkling Logic and SAS Decision Manager. Another important category of AI tools for decision-making are recommendation engines. These tools use AI to analyze data and provide personalized recommendations. They can help you make decisions tailored to your individual needs and preferences. Examples of these tools include Amazon's recommendation engine and Netflix's movie recommendation system. Finally, we have AI tools for data visualization. These tools use AI to turn raw data into visual representations, making it easier to understand and interpret. They can help you make data-driven decisions by providing a clear view of complex data. Examples of these tools include Tableau and Power BI. Now, you might be wondering, how can these AI tools improve productivity? Well, by making decisions quicker and more informed, you can save valuable time and resources. Predictive analytics tools can help you anticipate future trends. Decision management tools can automate decision-making processes. Recommendation engines can provide personalized advice, and data visualization tools can make data more understandable. In addition, these AI tools can reduce errors in decision-making, leading to better outcomes. They can also help you make consistent decisions, enhancing your overall performance. By leveraging these AI tools, you can make quicker, data-driven decisions, enhancing your productivity. We've covered quite a lot today. Let's quickly recap. We started off by discussing the concept of artificial intelligence and how it's revolutionizing productivity in various fields. We delved into the world of AI tools designed for task management, helping you organize, plan, and streamline your work. Then, we explored AI tools for communication, which enhance collaboration and minimize misunderstandings. Lastly, we touched on AI tools for decision-making, providing you with powerful insights to make more informed choices. Remember, these AI tools are not just high-tech gadgets. They are your partners in boosting personal productivity. They can turn your overwhelming tasks into manageable ones, your unclear messages into precise communication, and your unsure decisions into confident choices. Boosting productivity is just a tool away. Don't forget to subscribe to 𝗺𝗪𝗧 for more insights into the world of technology. Until next time, stay productive.